In the serene Himalayas, Lord Hanuman sat in deep meditation, absorbing the essence of the universe. After centuries of stillness, a desperate cry echoed from the world below, a plea for help against dark forces spreading chaos. Awakened by this call, Hanuman's eyes opened, revealing a divine determination. Soaring into the sky, he witnessed cities in turmoil, the cries of humanity piercing through the chaos. Landing in a beleaguered city, Hanuman radiated strength and hope, inspiring the despairing crowd. His powerful voice resonated like thunder, uniting the people to face the darkness together. As they rallied under his guidance, Hanuman unleashed his divine powers, fighting valiantly against evil. The sky crackled with energy as he shielded the innocent and vanquished foes. With darkness defeated, the city erupted in celebration, hearts aglow with hope. With a humble smile, Hanuman reminded them that true strength lay within. Ascending to the heavens once more, he left behind a world renewed, forever watching over those who dared to believe. Jai Shri Ram.